Hello, today I show you Zinux, a new Nintendo Switch emulator for Android. The Zinux emulator is Nintendo Switch ROM's console, with better optimization and performance. What is the Zinux emulator? The Zinux emulator is a free application designed to replicate the Nintendo Switch console on Android, iOS. For now you can try Suyu emulator that is available for all platforms. This emulator enables gamers to enjoy their favorite Nintendo Switch titles without needing the physical console. Zinux Emulator APK represents a cutting-edge Switch emulator, an enhanced iteration of Yuzu, tailored specifically for Android devices with modest GPU capabilities. It delivers exceptional performance, achieving 90 to 120 FPS, setting it apart from other emulators. Beyond boosting performance, it effectively mitigates heating issues, ensuring a smooth experience for playing your favorite high-end games. How to download latest Zinux emulator. To download and install the latest Zinux emulator, you have to follow the steps. Visit the official website of zinuxemulator.com. Scroll down to navigate the download page. After entering the download page, click on the version of Zinux you are looking for. We suggest you download the latest version of Zinux emulator. After downloading the Zinux APK, navigate to the file and follow on-screen directions. That's it. Is the Zinux emulator legal? Using emulators like Zinux is legal. However, the legality of using game files with the emulator depends on how they are obtained. It's illegal to download or distribute copyrighted game files without proper authorization. Users must ensure they use legally acquired game files with the Zinux emulator. Future plans for the Zinux emulator. Future developments for Zinux focus on boosting performance, enhancing game compatibility, and integrating new features based on feedback from the community, all driven by the dedicated efforts of its developers. To get started with Zinux emulator, 1. Download the latest release from this repository. 2. Install the APK on your Android device. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your settings. 4. Load your favorite Nintendo Switch games and start playing. Please subscribe, like and share. Make sure to hit bell button to get notified about new videos. Goodbye.